Hello, pre-calculus students. I've had some questions about how to do the factoring of expressions involving negative exponents. So the thing to remember is always factor out the most negative exponent term, 1. 2, remember your rules about multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, that you add their exponents. And 3, just be really careful with your fraction arithmetic. So for example, here in this problem, the x minus 6 term here and here has a more negative exponent with a negative 3/2. So I'm going to pull that out. And the x plus 5 to the negative 1/2 versus x plus 5 to the 1/2, more negative, is the negative 1/2 term. So I'm going to pull those two out. Now the question is, and this is what everybody uses when they're doing factoring quickly, is to remember that the opposite of factoring is multiplying. So what would have to be here so that if I multiplied this one by that one and added their exponents would make this equality true and give me that this times that is equal to x minus 6 to the negative 1/2 power, right? So, and I can set up another equation, this negative 1/2 term multiplied by this one with the triangle. I would be adding those two exponents. That sum has to be equal to that exponent back up there, the 1/2. Now you can solve for those desired exponents. Here it just so happens that the two unknown exponents were a 1. That's certainly not always the case. You'll notice that we don't have to write the 1 in there, of course, and that here's the other place where people will mess up. They'll be too lazy to use parentheses there and solve for the wrong thing in the interior. So, but distributing the negative through there, you get minus x and minus 5, and that all adds up to a negative 11 as the exponent. Okay? One last little note. When I tried entering this perfectly correct answer in my math lab, they said they wanted in something they're calling factored form. Most textbooks would not agree to have a simplified form with negative exponents. Whatever. I'm just letting you know that's what my math lab is looking for, and so that you don't do it 3 times over again like I did. All right, thanks.